Aloha! Howzit GrassHopper? grüß. Gott. 안녕하세요. Today's GiGo. Garbage in, garbage out. I am sharing with you my experiences with the GoPro Hero9 Black. I had this GoPro Hero9 Black for about a month. Am I going to replace the NX1? No. Do I have buyer's remorse? Your guess is good as mine. So let's dive into these little ones, the good, the bad, and the ugly side. The good, it is apparent. Front display to compose so I can see what I'm doing. Remote control and voice commands. GoPro, start recording. Today apparently understood the tourist English. GoPro, stop recording. Others have a cell phone app to control in the age of distracted driving. Besides the cost, GoPro Hero9 Black remote is $80. Battery charging can be accomplished with any 5-volt 2-amp chargers. However, it will not charge the battery while in use. So what that means is you can operate the GoPro with charger on without the battery, because I record 8 to 10 hours a day when I'm on the road. Do you have a need to buy additional batteries? Well, it depends on your situation. But for me, for the same money, I'd buy a solar charger instead. Hyper smooth video stabilization is excellent. Now, the bad and the ugly, and you be the judge. The lens, 60mm f2.5, is a fixed focus to infinity, and its video sharpness is extensively digitally enhanced. Any filter in front of the lens protector will degrade the digitally enhanced sharpness. With the fixed 60mm lens, 5 FOVs, field of view, you can use. This is the linear. This is the lens at narrow. This is at the linear plus horizontal leveling, and super view at 16mm. Wide, linear, and linear plus horizon leveling has a variable focal length due to compensating the shake, rattle, and roll image stabilization. GoPro hasn't changed much in 4 generations. Still, the minimum shutter speed is 1/480th of a second, and factory auto exposure is overly overexposed. Exposure at -1 EV. Horizon leveling is only present with the linear mode, and somehow it's working against me. Also, I cannot use circular polarizing filter due to GoPro's automatic white balance going from blue to red and repeats. And sometimes it does this. Yeah, this is the linear mode. Minus 0.5 EV, sharpness medium. Oh yeah, wind off. Not once, but whole session. Panning isn't great either. This is one of the reasons that it freezes. With these glitches, I cannot use for my road videography as a main camera. You cannot adjust your presets, so you must stop recording and readjust before continuing. What I like to see is a GoPro with interchangeable lens model. What you see is what you get. Thanks for visiting, subscribing, sharing, and watching my channel. We'll see you next time. Aloha. GoPro, stop recording. Please. Please. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. So this is the EV minus 0.5, sharpness medium, wind noise off.